No worries. Life is all about that. We need to keep moving. So when I was sometimes they do not understand us very nicely, and that's okay. But you don't have to just keep trying. Okay. So if somebody is rude to you, you don't have to be rude back to them, but you can always make some boundaries, right? So that they cannot be rude to you the next time.
I like this dress. I like this dress, right?
I like pink dresses. So like is in the present tense.
Present tense.
When I say I liked, liked, liked pink dresses, then it will change to
Past tense means
correct. And I shall like pink dresses will change this into
mm, future.
future tense.
Future.
Absolutely. All right. So now you try one on your own. Okay.
Okay.
All
Okay.
right. So the next sentence is Ria dances very well.
Means here dances means is before.
Hmm? Dances means before. Before what?
Present, past, or future. Present
Okay. It's present tense. So can you tell me what will you say for the past tense for the same sentence?
means she danced. Dance for past tense.
Correct. danced. Danced for
Yeah.
past tense. Correct. And how about future?
Future means she will dance.
Correct. She will dance very nicely. That is correct. Okay. So do you also know that there are continuous verbs?
Verb.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if I tell you I'm doing something right now.
Means I'm doing it right now. Means I am talking to you right now.
Yes, that is correct. And for that also we have a tense that is present continuous. Okay?
Present continuous.
Continuous. I am talking to you right now. I am playing with my brother right now. Okay? All right. And tell me what exactly are you doing in English at school?
I talks and I study.
Okay. What do you study? I want to know what do you study in English?
I study like making sounds. But this is like there was two words and we blended together.
That's right. So you are learning by the phonics method.
Yeah, we the phone sing the song and tell us what sound it is, and we make that same sound.
Okay, okay. So can you think of five words, okay? Five words which start with the letter or the letter sound L. If you can see some
Mm.
you, yes, starts with the letter sound L. Can you quickly think and see around and quick give me an answer?
Can you see?
Around me?
Yeah,
I can see around me, but I'm not here. This I'm not the student here.
lip,
Okay. Lips. What else?
leaf,
Leaves. Very good.
leg.
Like.
No, leg.
Legs. Okay. Okay.
Light, light.
Light. Okay. Can you
And
think of another word for the playing area or the garden that you have outside? That also starts with L.
uh, lamp.
Okay, correct. And if you have a garden outside, you can also say it's a lawn,
Lawn.
right?
I do have a garden, but it's not really a garden. It's just a balcony, and my dad will bring lots of plants to make it garden.
Okay, so that is how a garden is made because you have to bring lots and lots and lots of plants.
There are up plants, plant line, plant line, back
Hanging.
plant line, plant line, side plant line, and even behind a plant line.
Okay, so do you know what are the uh, good advantages of having
And
plants
then
home? How,
We can breathe with plants.
okay, plants give us oxygen. Okay. So I think they also look very beautiful
Yeah.
as a decoration, right?
And they smell even very good and they are very colorful.
Right. So they look beautiful when a home space is decorated with plants,
Yeah.
right? So that's a good thing that your dad does by bringing more and more plants at home.
There are lots of like not more than 100.
Then not more than 100. Okay, then you want to make it 100?
No, means we have lots of 100 plants. Even I don't know is 100 or is not 100 because I didn't counted it.
You didn't count it.
Yeah,
Okay,
count
so
it.
next time you can count it. Okay, so you returned a couple of days ago from India. Tell me, what do you miss the most about India?
India, my family and we can have fun together. That
Okay, so you miss being with your family.
yeah, and I miss mm, and I went to Jagannath Puri. That's why I pray Jagannath Puri, so I miss that too.
You like praying and you like visiting temples.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, and what did you ask? Did you ask something from God while
I
praying?
just said, I just said, please make my family happy and always, always, always be happy.
Okay, so happiness is what you asked for everybody.
Yeah, for all my family.
Okay, so coming back to the colors, Udiksha, you didn't tell me your favorite color. You said you like the rainbow, but you didn't tell me which color in the rainbow do you like the most.
I like all the colors of the rainbow.
All seven colors, but there has to be one favorite, one that you like the most. Please,
Actually, I like pink, purple, red.
pink, purple, and red.
Yeah,
Okay, and do you generally play outside in the evenings?
I play outside in um, mean I do play outside, but when I go to play, it starts raining. Can you hear the noise of the rain?
The pattering of the drops?
Yeah,
No,
yeah,
not really. It's not audible till here. But is it raining that heavily?
yeah. It's raining and regularly raining, raining, raining. When tomorrow that happened too. When I go in the park, yesterday happened too. Because when I go to the park, it
When
starts raining.
when yesterday when I went to the park,
Yeah,
it started raining.
yeah. And when I was traveling, it was not raining.
Right. So rain has a timing. Sometimes it makes us feel like it is just here to spoil our day.
Yeah, yeah, it's always spoil our day. We can even see the rainbow from here
Okay. And how many times have you seen the rainbow?
two times,
Twice. Okay. That's
twice, twice.
so. Are you planning to make more friends when the school reopens? Are you trying to work on
Yes,
that?
I am. But even when I show kindness to my friend, but they said I don't wanna be your friend still, and they even don't be my friend still. Even I show kindness.
Hmm. No worries. Life is all about that. We need to keep moving. So sometimes they do not understand us very nicely, and that's okay. But you don't have to just keep trying. Okay. So if somebody is rude to you, you don't have to be rude back to them, but you can always make some boundaries, right? So that they cannot be rude to you the next time, right?
Okay,
But we just need to remember not to be rude ourselves.
okay.
Okay. And do you have some gift for your best friend when you meet her?
My best friend. My best friend is actually Aisha. She don't live in my school. She is my neighbor. She,
She doesn't study in my school.
but she is my neighbor. She
Okay.
was my neighbor, but she's gone Singapore forever.
Forever.
Yeah, even Luna go forever. Even Diana go forever. Even now, Olivia is going forever.
Okay. So all your friends are moving out of the country.
forever.
Okay, okay. So it's going to be difficult for you to make new friends now.
Yeah.
When I was uh, 12 in 12th standard, so I was 18 years old. I had to leave my hometown for further studies. Then I went to Pune, then I went to Aurangabad, then I came to Mumbai. So I also had to keep traveling around, and every time I traveled I had to make new friends. So that
You
is what it's about.
you know that we even travel very, like we go to aeroplanes, we went to aeroplanes, then again we went to aeroplanes, again we went to aeroplanes, like
You
Brunei to
traveled by
India,
air.
Brunei to India, Brunei to India. It keep happening. Brunei India, Brunei India, like
Yeah,
that.
so we had a great time. So we traveled by air. We'll not say we went to plane, okay?
Yeah,
We traveled by air multiple times, many times.
we we travel air
By
multiple
air,
times,
by air.
by air, even train and three cars.
Oh wow, that's awesome. Very fulfilling journey it seems, Sudiksha. Okay, so now we are here at the closing of the session.
Can I just tell you one more thing?
Yes, please go ahead.
Means I like when the aeroplanes run and go off to fly.
Yes,
I
so
love.
you the takeoff.
Yeah, when it take off and when it's run, I love it because when it goes so slowly, I can't see that much thing very fast. So if it go fast, I can see everything fast, and if it goes slow, I get bored and bored to see it.
Right, it can get a little boring and tedious sometimes. Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, Sudiksha. So with that, we will end the session. All right. So thank you
Okay.
so much for joining, and you have a great day ahead.
Thank you for talking to me.
You're most welcome. Bye bye.